Typically, this is what the electricity used for a 4-person household looks like over the course of the day. Electricity consumption is usually high in the morning. While it drops off at midday. In the evening, power consumption increases again. The peaks are in the early morning and in the evening. And this is the electrical power production cycle of a solar photovoltaic system. Power production peaks midday when household consumption drops off. Power production and power use simply don't match time-wise. But that changes with the addition of a sonnen battery. The sonnen battery stores excess power that is produced when it cannot be used and provides it for use when it is actually needed. Sonnen battery increases the usefulness of energy you generate, saving an average of 75% on electricity bills.